Hey DIY queens, welcome back to my channel. I'm Create with Kayla. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a haul on some Honeylove items and I'm excited to show you guys. Stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, so first up what we have is this Liftwear tank. So they're all actually Liftwear tanks and we got them in some different colors, and on the packaging it says Honeylove, and then on the back it says that you are your own masterpiece. So you guys need to check them out. I'm going to actually be showing you guys everything that I put on. So here's the packaging, and then I also got sent a Honeylove mesh bag, so that means I'll be able to wash my clothes, my Liftwear tanks, inside of this mesh bag. So I thought that was really cute and really helpful that they sent this, because sometimes, you know, we just throw our stuff in the dryer, but now I got a mesh bag so I can put them all in there so they don't get damaged with my other clothes. So let's try on our first Liftwear tank. For this first Liftwear tank, I got it in a size small. I do like how this looks on me, but I think I could size down to an extra small. Also, this color is in the color sand, and it brings out my skin tone very beautifully. I like that this tank gives you a supportive fit, but it also is very comfortable to wear. So I could wear this every single day. I think that this material is very, very nice, and I love how they put this together. Another feature that I like about it is that it provides dig-free straps. I mean, who doesn't like a strapless feel? But it's also comfortable. And then you don't have to worry about loosening or tightening them up. For the back, they give you this nice V-shaped look as well as the front. And I think that's good for if you have a lower shirt or a lower dress in the back that you want to wear, and you can still show it off with your Liftwear tank. I really love the feels of the bra, and it's not binding, but it gives you a little bit of a push-up. I like that because I'm a part of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee, and it's nice because I can go without a bra and still look like I have something there. Okay, so I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. It does have these bra pads in there, so you know you won't be seeing your nipples through it, and you can wear this out every day, which I'm going to do. I'm going to wear it as if it was a bodysuit because I like to pair it with some cute shorts, and I can just go on my day and still feel comfortable throughout the whole entire day. I'm going to pair it with a nice fedora. I'm not going to put anything over it. Why? Because I really like this on my skin. It looks like a bodysuit on me. So I get the bodysuit feel without having to wear the whole entire leotard. And I really like this feel, especially the straps. I think it is a good Liftwear tank. For this next Liftwear tank, I got it in the size small again, and I don't know why, but I swear this makes my boobs look more push-up than anything, and I like it because you do not have to wear a bra. Also, I did get this in the color Runway, and it features this X-shaped front, and let me tell you guys a secret about this. So most shapewear, when you wear it, it has, you know, just a straight down. With this X feature, it hides that belly button when you bend over. As you can see, when I bend over, you don't see that hole in the middle, which I do have an outie belly button, but I know some people struggle, or they don't like the fact that when they wear shapewear that they see that hole when they bend down. Also, this side and the back looks really nice on this Liftwear tank, and I like the fact that it has that V shape and it's very comfortable. I paired this one also with some shorts, and as you can see guys, it doesn't scrunch up. I like that it doesn't scrunch up. It stays in place and it literally sucks you in. Like, it literally does what a tank is supposed to do. It sucks you in and sucks everything with it. Okay, so here is the close-up of the breast pockets. I like it because the bust features removable cups, and it's comfortable that you can control the level of coverage you want with these. So it also gives you that extra lift once again. And here's a feature of the side of it. It does have this, I don't know what this little piece is called, but it doesn't bother me at all. I like it because it keeps everything in place. And then you have your V-neck back, which gives you a little backage to show off. I think they did a really good job with coming up with the fabric on this material because it's very, very comfortable, and I like wearing it out just, you know, as a regular shirt. So I did pair it with this cute hat, and I am going to go on my way about this because I don't believe this needs a t-shirt. I like how this looks on me, on myself. You know, you may want to wear it with a dress, you may want to customize it with a shirt, but I'm saying like these you can just wear out. I like the fact that you can still wear it outside and go on your day, and people won't know that you're wearing a lift tank. So also, I want to remind you that, you know, maybe size down. If you're my size, I am 5'3", weighing about 130 pounds. I would say size down to an extra small, maybe. I think that would also look good and probably suck me in a little bit more. This next liftwear tank is super clean, super sleek. I like it because it is in the color Astral and it brings out everything. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's also, once again, in the size small, and here's a side look of it. You can see the bra. I think only in the video you can see my bra cups, but if you're looking at me, you really cannot see through this. The video is just bringing it out. But this is so cute. I love this color. It's very clean, very bright, and I like it. So just in case if you're wearing a white dress or something like that, you can pair it with that. And let's get into the sizes. So I know we didn't talk about the sizes. So my recommendations for the sizes are that if you want to have a extra length, like long t-shirt, I would recommend sizing up. But if you want a tighter fit, I would recommend sizing down. Also, if you have wider hips or prefer a long shirt length, once again, I recommend sizing up. And then if you're in between sizes or want more compression in the stomach, size down. Also, the bust features, you know, the removable cups, and it gives you that nice push-up look. As you can see, I got a little something there, little cleavage. And it gives me a nice little bit of a push-up. I like that. I really, really like that. Also, it does feature, you know, the V-shaped back, which gives me that extra cleavage in the back to show off as well. I would say pair this with a nice back, not backless dress, but a low back dress, or you can do like a spaghetti. You can get away with a tank dress or a spaghetti dress and still be able to show your back off. Also, you know, the front features the bra cups. I like that because I don't have to wear a bra, once again. And then also with moving around, it doesn't really crease. I like that it doesn't crease like that. It sucks you in and it brings you in and makes you wear this liftwear tank like it is you. It feels like skin on your body. Also, ladies, if it doesn't fit, if you don't like it for any reason, if you don't love it, they will do returns and exchanges. And, you know, they do give a grace period, I think, of about 30 days. Just look into that. Just try it out. I think these are a nice material. Also, I'm just going to pair it once again with a hat. I really like these because bodysuits are in, but if I don't have to wear a bodysuit and I can just wear a liftwear tank, I'm excited to do that. I can cheat the whole entire system and nobody has to know. Also, don't forget to head over to the bottom. I'm going to link everything below. I really love this white color tank. It's beautiful. It brings out my skin. Once again, I did try on 3 colors and I wanted you guys to see how each of them look on me. And it doesn't matter your size. They do have different sizes for everyone. So here's a perspective of my best friend. She does have a size C38 boob size. She is 5 foot, 140 pounds. And this is what the back looks like on her. It still features that V-shaped. And then in the front, you know, you have the X in the front and you can see that it doesn't crease in the front. I really, really like that. So I would say the size small fit her way better than it did me. So I will size down. Also, don't forget, like, this thing sucks you in. As you can see, she really enjoyed wearing this. So I'm glad I got to give you a different perspective. And here is their website. You're going to go and check out honeylove.com. They have a beautiful page and I love their mission and their founder. I think this is an amazing company and they do have great products. especially the ones that I've featured on for today. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you my little haul of their liftwear tanks. They also have a collection of bras, camis, liftwear camis, you name it, in different colors, different sizes, different tanks. That's what we featured today. Also, head down to my links down there and you can just figure out what you want to do. Check out their website, just browse through, and they have some wonderful products. All right, DIY queens, I really hope you enjoyed this Honeylove haul. I am switching up just a little bit. They did send me all of these liftwear tanks, and I just want to say thank you to Honeylove for these beautiful garments. And I will link everything down below, as well as the colors and the size that I wore. And don't forget to check out their stuff. And then I do have an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you guys shop my link. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And I have more to come for you guys, so stay tuned. Bye!